Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to get started making recordings of yourself using your Kit webcam and your Windows computer. As you can see, I'm in Zoom. I'm going to go ahead and join a meeting on Zoom, and I will turn on video so that you can see me. Hello, and we'll get started. So here I am in the meeting, and you may not be able to tell, but I am using an external webcam because the computer I'm using to record this video only has one camera attached. If your laptop has a built-in webcam, you'll need to select which camera you use. And to do that, you'll need to click this little caret next to the stop video button. And when you do that, it will give you the options. I have a little document camera set up, so that's why I see two options. I'm not going to turn that on, but it might say built-in webcam or something like that on your laptop, and you would want to select the Logitech Brio option. I have a slightly older version of that camera here at home on this computer, so I'm using the Logitech webcam C930E, but for you, you would select the Logitech Brio. The first step is going to be to make sure you are prepared. So once you're ready to get started, you can go ahead and click this record button. It will give you two options: record on this computer and record to the cloud. You want to use record on this computer because it will be much faster to get you access to the final recording, and it won't automatically be deleted after 7 days the way the Zoom recordings on the cloud are. So I'll go ahead and click record on this computer, and it will start recording. It's got an indicator up there. If we load the participants list, it will show it in the participants list next to my name. So if there were other people in this example meeting, they would see that. Let's say I was recording a class session rather than just preparing a lecture, maybe a flipped class lecture for my students. For the purpose of the rest of this video, I'm going to treat it like that, a flipped class lecture. So I'm just going to keep talking to the camera, creating a recording as it goes along so that we have a video. And I'm going to keep talking for a little while just to, again, make sure there's enough content here. But once you're done recording your session, you can click stop recording or pause recording. Let's say I need to sneeze. I might click the pause button, grab a Kleenex from off camera, take care of that, and then unpause. You could also stop the video. Every time you stop the video, it creates a new file in the output, and when you pause, it appends it. So that's the big difference to be aware of. And you can see there are Alt-P and Alt-R keyboard shortcuts that might be helpful depending on what you're doing for your recordings. So I'm going to go ahead and click stop now. And it says the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends, up in the top right corner of my screen. And so I'm going to go ahead and end the meeting. And immediately I get this processing window. And for my short, I don't know what that was, maybe 2-minute video, it goes ahead and processes it. And now I have an MP4 file of, apparently it was 1 minute and 15 seconds, an MP4 file of my session. And once you're happy with the video, you'll need to share it with your students. In order to share it with your students, you're probably going to want to put it on VoiceThread. VoiceThread will automatically generate captions and will provide an accessible way for those students who are in countries that may limit access to YouTube that we know works. If you want to do other things, take a look around the Mac Digital site, and there will be other instructional videos on how to use Zoom to create interesting course content using your kit.